So if we draw, for example, if we say alif, ba, ta, sa. Okay, so if you look at the shape, these are vertical lines, obviously, that we learned earlier. These are horizontal lines. Okay, these are the dots that we learned. So all combination of all this comes to be alif, ba, ta. If you go to gym, for example, the way I say to the children, they normally, if they've gone to school, for example, they know the letter, some letters they will know in English, for example. So we try to give them the similar. If you got ba, for example, similar to a B. If you got say meme, for example, same as a M, or N, same as a noon, and we'll give them examples from that. Now, there's something that we come across earlier. With the gym, for example, I would say the number 7, you start with something like that, for example, and then draw the circle that we just learned, okay, or semicircle in this case. Or you can start with something like that. Say, for example, you have a circle like that, okay, and then you say draw 7 next to it, and then you can do is rub that part off which you don't want, and it becomes a jim, or a ha, similar. So your jim, ha, or a ha, depending on the dot, where the dot ends up. So you have 3 of these. And you have jim, ha, and ha. Okay. Then we come to dal. Would be, for example, if you do a circle, same thing what I said before. So you can do a circle, and what you do is that you take off the left side of that, and becomes the dal and a zal. So differentiate that with the dot, dal, zal. Then you have a raw straight line there, and straight line down. And similarly with the zai. Then you have if you say, for example, you have two circles this time, and 2 circles at the top, and you got 3 circles maybe for the big circle at the bottom. Okay, now this becomes a scene if you wipe off from the top. Yeah, like that. Similarly, you can draw scene as well, but sheen. Okay, 3 dots, and then you have a sword will be like a balloon there. Okay, similarly, a balloon there. You can do the same thing with these. You can draw a circle and then wipe it off. But I'm just doing it so it's a bit quicker this way. Similarly with the thaw, you do that, or you can go this way, and you have a thaw and a zaw. And then if I do ein again on this side thing, ein. I'll say these are 2 C's. You have a small C and a big C, for example. Yeah. And ein and ein. Then you have a fa, qaf, and you have a kaf is more or less straight, like a bit like a raw, with a little S in the middle there. Kaf, lam, round at the bottom, meme, noon, wow, ha. Sometimes you find normally a hamza in the Urdu script, and then you have a ya. Ya can have 2 dots there. Okay. In the Arabic script, normally the hamza would be on top of the alif, so we'll put it here. Okay. Okay, that's your alphabet, and we'll go through with it. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, ho. dal, zal, ra, za, sin, shin, صاد, ضاد, طا, ظا, عين, غين, فا, قاف, كاف, لام, ميم, noon, wow, ha, and ya. If I do the sounds of these, a, ba, ta, tha, ja, ha, ho, da, za, ra, za, sa, sh, so, do, to, zo, a, ro, fa, ko, ka, la, ma, na, wa, ha, ya. Okay? So while we have this diagram on a board, what we'd like to do is that if I just take off part of the letters, and that will give us the small letters. Okay? So you have a ba, for example, something like that. And when the children are watching this, they're quite intrigued in what you're trying to do. Is that? But this one, we'll leave it there for now, and I'm going to change the shape a little bit on this one. But let's see that for now. Dal, zal, re, ze, and waw, and alif, they stay the same. They don't change their shapes. Okay? And so we come to seen, take that off at the bottom. Similarly with the sheen, sod, dod, those all stay the same. Ain and ghain, fa, qaf. Kaf, we use the middle one